strong combined rescue operation by Manipur Fire Service, SDRF, NDRF and local volunteers. 42-year-old Tangzam Kunje, who accidentally fell into Tawal River yesterday, has been found dead. Thunderstorm with gusty wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour and lightning is likely to occur at isolated places over Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Nagaland and Tripura today, according to Regional Meteorological Center, Guwahati. Imphal West District Administration has claimed CRPC 144 in the areas situated within the Revenue District of Imphal West since yesterday for a period of 2 months. The Kanglei Ima Loop has celebrated its 9th Foundation Day under the theme Justice, Liberty and Unity at Manipur Press Club today. President of KIL R.K. Sanahanbi International Awardee Ibotombi Kuman and Vice President of UCM KSS Somerendo were the main guests. Result of High School Leaving Certificate Examination and Assam High Madrasa Examination 2019 was declared this morning with the pass percentage of around 60.23%. Male candidates apply was around 1,62,467, out of which 1,60,264 candidates have appeared for SSLC examination. Around 24,918 candidates secure First Division, 34,866 Second Division, 40,691 Third Division. The pass percentage of male candidates is around 62.69% this year. In a major success in counter-insurgency operations, security forces in Tinsukia district of Eastern Assam nabbed 3 Alpha I cadres. Sophisticated arms and ammunition were also seized from the arrested militants at Tarani Reserve Forest. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has prepared a Witness Protection Scheme 2018 in consultation with the National Legal Service Authority, Bureau of Police Research and Development and the state governments. The scheme provides for the protection of witnesses based on the threat assessment. BJP President Amit Shah's roadshow in Kolkata yesterday ended up in violent clashes between Trinamool Congress youth members and BJP workers. The clashes broke out near the iconic Presidency College and Calcutta University after black flags were waved at Shah and stones were allegedly pelted at his convoy from the hostels of Vidyasagar College. During the violence that followed, the mob vandalized the college hostel and broke the 200-year-old statue of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The 7th and final phase of Lok Sabha elections will see Eastern Uttar Pradesh, or Purvanchal as it is known, vote to elect a government at the center. As the BJP, SP, BSP and the Congress look for a triumphal finish, one social group which will decide the fate of candidates in the region is the most backward class. Sri Lankan police arrested dozens and remanded nearly 30 persons in connection with the spate of anti-Muslim attacks in at least 3 districts over the past 2 days. According to sources, at least 2 busloads of people aided by local goons carried out attacks on mosques, Muslim-owned shops and homes on Sunday night and Monday afternoon in the worst outbreak of violence since the April 21 Easter bombings. The U.S. Trade Representative published plans to increase tariffs on 3,805 Chinese imports, valued at about $300 billion. The move was expected since the end of the last week and is the latest in a game for tit-for-tat tariffs, which will mean that almost all Chinese goods entering the U.S. will be taxed at the higher rate if the policy is implemented.